Well, he's been through 2 jury trials and survived 9 execution dates. Even after calls from lawmakers and the Attorney General for a new trial, an execution date is still set for Richard Glossip. He was convicted of murder but always maintained his innocence. Today, the Pardon and Parole Board voted not to recommend clemency.
Yes for clemency.
Calvin Prince,
Yes for clemency.
Richard Miller,
No.
Kathy Stoker,
No.
clemency is denied.
The Pardon and Parole Board deadlocked 2-2. A 5th member recused himself due to his wife's involvement in one of Richard Glossip's trials, an issue brought up by Glossip's attorney.
I just for the record wish to lodge that argument or that objection at this point.
Your objection is noted.
The vote comes despite the attorney leading an independent investigation detailing what they called significant material the jury never heard, including several letters from Justin Sneed wanting to recant his testimony and writing he made a mistake.
Please consider this and that the jury did not know this.
Sneed is serving life for the murder of Barry Van Treese. To avoid the death penalty, he told police Glossip instructed him to do it. More evidence not shown to the jury: Sneed's bipolar disorder diagnosis, the state destroying evidence and supplying Sneed with witness testimony. 62 lawmakers called on this independent investigation, including Representative J.J. Humphrey, one of the legislature's more conservative lawmakers and former law enforcement.
Why would you destroy evidence in the life in such a critical case? I can think of no reason. It's illegal, it's wrong, it's unjust.
Representative Kevin McDougal has advocated for Glossip for years and says the vote today is not about a man's life, but a political game. He says it makes no sense that the board would side with the appeals court when both the state and the defense agree the trials were flawed.
They want everything rubber stamped and everyone to agree with everything they do. They don't want people highlighting issues or highlighting problems. And if ever there was a case where there are problems in the case, this is it.
Several Van Treese family members spoke, stating due diligence has been done. Van Treese's sister felt the lawmaker and Attorney General Gentner Drummond's presence was an unfair advantage.
We have not been fairly represented today. This is an unprecedented situation.
Unprecedented because it's not typical for the AG to argue in front of the board. Glossip was the last to speak, thanking his supporters.
I consider myself extremely fortunate to have had the people stick their necks out because they believed this was the right thing to do. I'm not a murderer, and I don't deserve to die for this.
Just this afternoon, Glossip's attorneys announced they have filed an unopposed application for a stay of execution with the U.S. Supreme Court. This is in addition to a separate petition pending with the U.S. Supreme Court that could halt his execution.